So, but we shall have peace. We shall have peaceful elections. Nobody will disturb our elections. Anybody who tries will fail, because that's what we fought for. We have been fighting for the last 50 years. You must be not serious if you think you can disturb Uganda when we are here. You are just deceiving yourself. I know all these fellows who are running around, homosexuals, I don't know what. You go and do your business where you, not here. The NRM has its own problems, because like the young children in Kapara, because what has been happening is that the foreigners working with the local opportunists have been giving opium, marijuana, and money to our children who are street children to cause mayhem. Now, that is partly a mistake of the NRM cadres who have been running these towns, because they have not been reaching out to those street children. Those children were there, and yet we had told them to do it, but they were not doing it. So the NRM people have their own weaknesses of laziness, of selfishness, of what. But at least for them they are lazy, they are selfish, but they don't disturb. Now the other ones are lazy, selfish, and disruptive. So that's why this is but fortunately, the issue of our children, street children, some of whom are now street men. Somebody was a street child, he's now a street man or a street woman. We are in touch with them, and it's good that, because you remember when I brought Full Figure. You know Full Figure? My girl Full Figure. She was a commander among the ghettos. And then I brought Butcherman. Then I was being attacked by the NRM structures. Why is he dealing with those people, not us? Then my question was, but you are not dealing with them. You are not reaching out to the people down. You want to monopolize access, but you don't do the work. So what do I do? But I ignored them. I bypassed them, brought to Full Figure, brought to Butcherman, brought to all the ghetto commanders. We are now, so the NRM people must also criticize themselves for not reaching out to the small people in these different places. But the opposition and their foreign backers are both useless and disruptive. So while the NRM people may be lazy, may be selfish also, because they don't reach out to people, but at least they are not disruptive. They maintain the peace. And as long as the peace is there, we can get solutions. So the opposition are both useless and disruptive. Because some of these fellows, well, I don't want to turn your Thanksgiving into a political rally. I don't have to present my political arguments to you here. I have the place where I will produce the political arguments, but I spoke about it because I heard you talking about violence and so on and so forth. That's why I said I should comment. But otherwise, in the right forum, I will disassemble all the liars by word of mouth. So I thank you very much. Thank you very much for remembering my song. This song used to be sung at Mbarra High School. It was a beginning of term song. I don't know what happened to those songs, Your Grace. What happened to those songs? Those booklets. Which other? But like this one, Lord, dismiss us with thy, that will be end of term. Then the beginning of term will be, Lord, behold us with thy blessing.